Time is running out. Miss this deadline, and you may never get justice for your loved one. In Florida, the general statute of limitations for filing a wrongful death lawsuit is 2 years from the date of death. This means that the family members or representatives of the deceased must initiate legal action within this time period. Failing to do so can result in the court dismissing the case, and the opportunity to seek compensation will be lost. However, there are some important nuances and exceptions you should be aware of. In certain cases, the exact cause of death may not be immediately apparent, especially if it's linked to a long-term injury or medical condition. If the cause of death was not discovered right away, the clock may start ticking from the date the cause was or should have been discovered. If your wrongful death claim involves a government agency or employee, such as a police officer or a municipal vehicle, you may have a shorter time frame to file, often just 6 months to file a notice of claim, followed by the standard 2 years for the lawsuit itself. This differs from private party claims, and deadlines can be more rigid. If the deceased had minor children, the statute of limitations may not begin until the child reaches the age of majority, extending the deadline in certain cases. Florida law allows for the recovery of various types of damages, including funeral and burial expenses, lost wages, and loss of companionship, and pain and suffering. The sooner the lawsuit is filed, the sooner the family can potentially secure compensation for these losses. Factors that can impact your case: keep in mind that in addition to meeting the filing deadline, you will need to gather evidence to prove liability, negligence, and the extent of the damages. This might include police reports, medical records, expert testimony, and witness statements. It's critical to involve a wrongful death attorney as soon as possible to help investigate the circumstances and ensure you're properly represented. In short, while the general rule is that you have 2 years, wrongful death claims can be complex. There are several factors that could either shorten or extend that window. To protect your legal rights and ensure that all necessary actions are taken within the proper time frame, it is important to consult an experienced wrongful death attorney as soon as possible. I'm Laurie Hannan-Anton from the law firm of Marc Shapiro, and thank you for asking that question.